this is Nicole. I'm a junior accountant here at Angel Wings International Tourism.
Who or what inspired you to be your parents?
Of course, my family in the Philippines, especially my two siblings, they inspire me to work hard to support their financial needs.
Describe one of your favorite work memories.
Work memories, siguro yung outside the office nung nag-karaoke kami. The whole team was there and super nag-enjoy singing and dancing. Tapos yung inside office naman, syempre pag nagbabalance and tally yung accounts.
And what do you do to unwind after a long day?
Siguro pag nakakausap yung family sa Pinas, then yung family ko din kasi dito, mahilig din kami magmasyal or kumain sa labas.
What destination do you hope to visit one day and why? For traveling.
For travel, siguro sa nakikita ko sa social media, madami ngayong nasa Japan. Parang maganda dun yung mga travel destinations, especially sa Osaka or sa Tokyo.
Do you prefer to plan your trip ahead of time or before time?
Mas prefer kong mag-plan ng travel ahead of time kasi may time ka pa para mag-search ng pupuntahan mo kung saan destination, kung may restrictions pa and everything. Then, para alam mo din kung sino yung pwedeng isama and hindi. And of course, considering kung magkano ba yung budget na need papunta doon. Of course, sana ay many more years to come pa sa Angel Wings. And magkaroon din ng branch not only here in UAE but also in the Philippines. So, advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year po sa ating lahat. Especially sa mga OFW here in UAE. Let's spread love and kindness, especially this holiday season. Yun lang. Hello again, this is Nicole. I'm from Angel Wings International Tourism. Bye!